Now here's the progress we've made out back. There is a big new addition going on. So the concrete walls have all been poured. You can see the work down here underneath is done. We've got the crushed stone compacted. And then we've got these footings right here because we're going to have a couple of posts, and they're going to be holding the beams that hold the first floor of the addition, which is going to be tied into the original house. And off the back right there, that was the old living room. The back wall has come off. There's going to be an opening to the new addition, and as is the case often these days, the homeowners want an open floor plan. So that means there has to be a big beam to clear open that space right there, and that's going in today. Hey, Tommy.
Yeah.
That beam ready to go in?
Yeah, if you're finished giving the tour, maybe you could go up and give somebody a hand here?
Giving a tour. All right, I'll go up and help you, Pops. So, as I said, this was the old family room, and now it's going to become the new kitchen. So the sink is going to go in front of that window, which is going to be changed. There's going to be a big island right here. These windows are getting changed out, but this fireplace, which is connected to that chimney that I was talking about, that actually stays. Hey, Charlie.
Kevin.
And then this right here, Tommy, is where we are putting in our new beam. My tour is done, so
yeah,
what do you got?
All right, so what we have to do is we have a beam that really has to be strong here because we're carrying a lot. This is going to open us right up. Yep. We have the kitchen, as you said, there with an island. In a little further into the new space is a big stairway that leads downstairs.
So carrying a lot meaning big wide open span, but also carrying all of the second floor and any of the roof?
And some of the roof load, and we have a point load over there we have to deal with also.
Gotcha.
So we're using a beam with engineered wood and steel.
Which is in you guys call that Flitch?
It's a Flitch beam, and it's a triple Flitch beam.
So we got to actually marry it up to these existing joists?
Right, it's going to slide right in, and then once they're all cut, we're going to take the timber hanger like this, and we'll put underneath the joist and attach these to the new beam.
Gotcha. And so we got to make a little bit of room here for what's left?
All right, so we have 4 more joists to cut.
Okay.
All right, so here's the beam that's going to go into place. This is called a Flitch beam. In this case, it's a triple LVL with 2 pieces of steel.
You guys made this up earlier today?
Yep, so we ordered the steel with the holes already drilled. They mark it with a pencil and then take the steel off and drill through it.
Okay.
Once it's all drilled, we sandwich it together, drive our carriage bolts through, and we're going to tighten those together with an impact driver.
You ready to fly this in?
We're ready to fly it in. One of the big advantages of a Flitch beam like this, we could put each piece in individually. But when we have a machine like this and we can build it on the ground, it's a lot faster for us to do it that way. Now pull it over. Good. All right, try to slide it in. There you go.
All right, I'll clear.
Perfect.
Okay, that's sucked up there.
All right, good. All right, pull it away.
It's up nice and tight.
Yeah, our beam is up temporarily. Now, we've got a temporary post on each end. We're going to move our post out so we can work on each end to form that new post. We've got to put all the metal hangers on to tie the existing joists into the new beam.
And now we got ourselves a really big opening. I love it.
Yeah, right now it's about 16 feet, but I think it's coming in just a little bit.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.